Hotel Jackson, we're back again. Let's do it. Hey, what's going on? This is Jeff. I am with SSH Drones, and today I will be talking about 6 tips that you need to know in order to travel with your drone. So let's get right into it. All right, so tip number 1 is pretty much consider getting global entry. And global entry, what it is a program with the Homeland Security where you are a trusted traveler. And as being a trusted traveler, you do have responsibilities that are listed here. And what it does is instead of going through the normal security like everybody else and check in where you have to take off your shoes, take out your laptop, you pretty much go into a special screening, so to speak, where in certain cases you don't have to take off your shoes, and in certain cases you don't have to take out your laptop. But what it does is it really speeds up the security screening at the airport. All right, tip number 2, just make sure you do research your local ordinance or the international laws of the countries that you are flying with, and make sure you always have your Part 107 with you. It is very important for you to research the laws. Tip number 3, get to the airport early. And the reason why is because you definitely should expect a little longer security screening. Even though you do have global entry, you are subject to being searched or having an extensive security screening. And I can guarantee you, like, every time I fly, no matter what happens, my bags are always selected for additional security screening, because let's be honest, you do have a drone, so you are at fault. So this really happens. So expect longer security screening. All right, tip number 4, check your airline rules. Every airline do have different rules when it comes to transporting cameras or video equipment. So and especially batteries, and that's going to go to tip number 5. So make sure you do check the airline rule before you head out there. Tip number 5, just make sure you do discharge your batteries before you get on the plane. Make sure you keep the FPV batteries at 3.7 cell, which is pretty much the storage capacity. And for the DJI, just make sure you keep it at either 3 or 2 LED lights before you get on the plane. And an additional quick tip, just make sure you do have also the surge protectors right here, just to make sure that they are covered, and make sure that you do have a tape that is covering your batteries right there, just like that. So once you do that, I think you should be safe to carry those batteries with you. But make sure you do discharge those batteries just to avoid any problems. All right, tip number 6, the last one and the most essential one. Try your best to use compact drones. It could be a DJI Air 2S, it could be a Mini 2, or the Mavic 2 Pro or the Mavic 3. You definitely need to make sure that you do have a drone that's really compact and really fit for travel. I wouldn't personally fly with the Inspire 2 or the Phantom 4. I mean, those drones are very bulky, and they take a lot of space, and you're definitely gonna need to go through like extra longer security screenings for that. So, but me personally, I'd rather just use something that's really compact to get on the plane with. All right, guys, so that was 6 tips that I actually use when I am traveling with my drone and my camera equipment. Again, this content is definitely subjective to my own experience. So let me know in the comments below how you feel about traveling with your drone. Like, what have you experienced when you are traveling with your aircraft or your camera equipment in overall? So just let me know and share your thoughts about how you are traveling with your drone in the comments below. All right, I am Jeff with SSH Drones. I hope that this content was valuable to you, and leave it a comment and let me know how you feel. And I am signing off. Later, guys.